try and be careful on this pathway. We did have a lot of rain the last couple of days, so our path is a little more uneven than usual. And there's also a lot of leaves on our pathway because it's fall, so just try and be careful on them. But do y'all have any questions before we get started? No? Alright, well before we actually do get off the porch, I have to remind everyone that we do try to protect this cave as best as we can. That's why we ask for no food, drinks, back products, chewing gum, anything like that down in our cave. And why we don't touch anything down there as well. As touching anything, including the ceilings and the walls, will actually stop the growth of our cave. So to kind of keep that in your mind. And if there's no questions, we'll go ahead and head through the woods. Once again, this was around 1979. But we knew about Morango since 1883. And it almost took us 100 years to actually build this entrance. The reason why it took so long is we didn't actually own the property until 1970s. That's the only reason. But for whatever reason, I still don't understand it, we really did not think of tall people when we built this entrance. So the ceiling is slightly low. So just try and be careful of your heads right here. But y'all feel free to take as many pictures as you want. We do encourage pictures. We just really do not recommend any kind of video, no audio down here. Because if you're watching your screen, you're not watching what's around you. Just kind of keep that in your mind. And if people in the back cannot hear me throughout this entire tour, always feel free to holler at me. I can always talk louder. Fantastic. And whoever's last out, if you shut this gate right behind us, we'll go ahead and get started.